guys, it's Mundo456 here. I don't know if you can hear me because my tablet has been in my pocket for a long time, but look at this.
We are doing boat racing.
We're gonna try
we just test drive, and now we're gonna try it. Wait, let go! Oh, gosh!
Total fail.
Oh my God, that was a complete fail.
All this hard work for nothing.
Oh, dang it.
Maybe one of us has to get on it.
Someone needs to go on it like this. I'm stranded.
Go further.
Hey you, YouTube channel.
Oh, crap, no. Looks like a 90s.
Come on, someone help me.
The camera's really blurry.
Have you ever been to like a Walmart?
Hey, stop over there.
Have you been in one of those kiddie things? Hey, that's what the horn sounds like. Look. Is that a clown?
Shout out to Unspeakable Gaming, who will never see this video. Sorry about this. YouTube.
Bro, this sucks. All right, Renee, let's go get the other two and see which one will make, I should say the other three. They're pool noodles, and we're going to use those as a boat.
Okay.
So let's...
Guys, the new name for this boat is Derpy Boat 9000.
And this one is Mr. Pie 50 Pool Noodle Bundle and Patriot Derpa Derp Seat.
Hey guys, it's me, Mundo456, on the Derpy Boat 9000. We're here watching the race of the century.
I got this Pool Noodle Bundle. This is Mr. Pie Guy.
Yeah, we get it. Hurry up! Yeah,
That's a dog dish. Oh, yeah.
dog dish is so close.
They're both floating back. They're like, boy, if you don't get your balls on dum-dum,
Boy, if you go get your bum-dum pickle tin purple voice out of here. Hey, whoever could throw the farthest to me wins.
Oh, yeah. And then me, Mundo, and Renee are all going to be trying out the Derpy Boat 9000. No, I'm not. At the end of the video. Okay, you're going to miss out. Wait, let me do that one. You want to do this one?
They're so derp.
Try to lead it towards Mundo without hitting it. Or the Derpy Boat 9000.
You lose.
I have to do my
Next contestant.
bundle up. Yeet. Bang it.
Still lose.
Dang.
You suck. They're losing like a Bill Nye the Science Guy. Oh no. Run. Take the L. Oh.
That's the best Swash Derpy pirate I've ever seen. That's the derpiest pirate I've ever seen. Do you need a tow truck? Do you need a tow truck?
Help me.
Renee, send the rescue shield to help poor Mundo.
I don't want to be here. Pause it.
No.
Help me. It won't work. It has to go.
Bro. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Go over there. Help me.
It's not paused. It's not paused. So we're gonna send the positively powerful shield to see if that can help Mundo get out.
Are you kidding me?
Okay, let's check out this $300 pan. Whee! Oh, dang it!
Let's turn on.
Bye.
Well, hey guys, it's me back again. Here I'm doing a
this dude ended the video, so we had to do another one. And I gotta go help this dude because he's...
Don't help me! Put it on me! Put it on me!
Yeah.
Today I'm doing a 1-hour challenge in this freezing cold wind.
No, you aren't.
Yeah, I am. I'm about to. Starting now.
You're gonna have a really poor day because we're not gonna help you at all.
We're not even gonna give you food. Hey, how about we go get some food and send it off?
Yeah! Here. Oh, we have the dog pan. We'll go get some cat food for you. We're joking. So he's hungry. We're gonna give him this dog pan. And Renee's coming back with some food, so you get to send him. You can eat the leftover rust.
Don't drop me. No, please!
Here, take the shield and eat the mini batteries, I guess, or leaves. Okay, I'm gonna try to somehow manage get this over to him.
Hey,
Unpause. We finally.
nothing even in here. Why?
You suck.
I'm getting frostbite.
Okay, if you're getting frostbite, then get out and let me have a turn.
No.
I'm just gonna give you more bad throws to irritate you. No.
Hey, Patrick, put it on the ground.
You.
You have my last granola bar.
So somehow we met. He forgot that he had a granola bar in his pocket. So I get Chauncey's granola bar, and he gets Derp pool noodle pack up when he gets it. Renee, hold this. Don't do anything, just show around him. Basically, show him. Not unless you let me get on the Derp 9000. Never. Never. Okay, here, Jackson. Want one? There's his nutrient bar. There's his cereal bar, actually. Now it's just soaking underwater. And that's what he has to eat for 24 hours. Now he can't get any food. Yeah, it's away.
I hate you! Well, this is all the rations I've left. This is all the rations I've left. I'm gonna die.
Rest in peace.
Pause it!
Here,
Pause it! You can't have it all at once.
a half hour for Mundo and Chansey. She's left him many times. When I hold it and don't pause anything or do anything unless Mundo or I so. So we're gonna send this to we're gonna send this to Mundo and see how Chansey reacts.
Yes, please!
Okay.
You don't really need food for 24 hours. You can just sleep for 1 hour. It's fine. But you
o'clock. Let me see the time. I'm good.
It has been an hour, everyone. Everybody, put it on me. Put it on me. It's been an hour and I'm finally getting out. Okay, guys, I'm finally on shore. Taking off my boots.
And I'm going in.
No, react to my feet. React to my feet.
Oh my God. Holy, he has water in them.
React to my feet, Renee. Hold this. Hold this, Renee. Come on. React to my feet. Okay.
Can't see that.
Here, give me it.
I already have my favorite ration.
Okay, guys,
Guys, I took Chancey's ration.
I'm now going to die. This might be Muno456's last video. Goodbye.
And it's underwater, and I can't find it.
Okay, guys, we're going to play a little prank on this douche. Okay, guys, I put the wrapper inside of the sock.
You know I can hear you, right?
I'm going to throw it over to him.
Just get thrown.
Here you go. Have fun. Eat it.
It looks like your sock in here. With what? You're such a nerd. Do you still want it?
No.
Well,
That's-
I guess your socks are gonna suffer then.
No, please. No, please. I got those half off.